What's up, happy campers? Here we are in a 36 by 12 3-bed ABI Colorado 2006. It's priced at $10,995 and we have got double glazing. Double glazed windows and doors, which is lovely. Something that a lot of people look for these days. Gonna have a quick look around, have a tour, see how we are, see what's going on and the condition, layout, all those sorts of things. Got any questions, as always, please do ask, and we are only too happy to help. There are a few blinds that aren't fitted, so there's one on the front seat there, and there's one by the dining area, which are just loose, which just need refitting. Having a look around the living room area here, you can see we've got a very large wraparound sofa along the front window and around the sides, which provides lots of seating. Got the same style then into the dining area. Upholstery's all okay. It needs a bit of a hoover off, but actually it's fairly decent condition, and there's no crazy stains or rips or anything like that, so that's always good news. Looking over there, we have an exterior door, which we have two of, one into the hallway as well. Gas fire there, which has seen very better days, much better days even, so that needs, we can take that off. Oh, let's show you a bit on the camera, that'd be helpful. We can take that off and we can spray that up, make it all nice and black and looking a lot nicer. Over the top of there we have got some cupboards and shelves. These are the sort of doors which are prone to some delamination, which we feature in a lot of our videos, Caravan thing. And the fire top, fire top's okay actually, just on the edge. So anywhere you see this type of doors in an Arizona or a Colorado, you're generally speaking going to have a bit of delamination. There are things we can do with them, and we can get all new doors as well, but it depends on the value of the Caravan. If the customer wants us to do that, it doesn't really affect the use of them. It's only really when you're looking for it, like I was, that you start to notice it and start to feel it. But if you're just using a cupboard door normally, you don't often see it. So we'll, if you come and have a look at the Caravan, you can see what we're talking about and then decide what you might want us to do. Same style kitchen doors, so you may have a bit of that around here as well, but we've got doors and drawers in here, plenty of space. Gas oven, gas hob, gas grill there. Kitchen sink looking out the window. If I spin around, we also have a fridge which has got very rusty on the front, which has seen better days, so we probably look to swap that one out and change that. Bit of rust on the T-bar handles as well, on the doors and drawers and things like that. So that's again something we can try and change if need be. Walking along through the hallway, we go past our other exterior door. We get to two doors at the back. Take the left-hand door, and we find ourselves in the main bedroom, which has got a reddy orange fabric headboard there. We've got a shelf over the top, as well as a couple of bedside shelves. And then if we walk to the back here by the bed, we've also got a wardrobe hanging space there, little mirror and table and cupboard above. Well, these are different doors, so as I'll show you now, this is a different style of door. It's a hard edge which do not delaminate, so got no problems with the doors in the bedrooms, which is often the case with ABI Colorados and Arizonas. You've got the different doors in the bedrooms, so it's only the front end, so kitchen living area, that has those doors that delaminate. Next to that main bedroom we have a twin bedroom door. This twin is currently set up with a double bed and was a small double there, probably maybe a 4-foot bed, but that could be changed back to two twins if that's what you'd rather. Little mirror unit, shelving over the top of the bed, and then a hanging wardrobe space here. So that's our one twin room at the back. Next to that is another door. Again, these internal doors are made the same way as the bedroom ones, so you can see the hard edge on it, different type of door. We've got our gas water heater in there. That runs off LPG and does our hot water for the kitchen and the bathroom. Carpets throughout are all original, and they are faded and a bit stained in places, as you can see. So perfectly doable, usable to carry on with them, but obviously new carpets do make things look a lot nicer. Twin beds in here with a little mirror unit, some storage and wardrobe hanging space, all to be expected. We've got our one bathroom here, which features a toilet as you'd expect, and a sink, mirror unit, and then shower. It's fairly clean and tidy in here, really. Sorry. Stepping back out of there, we'll have a wander through. You've got a doorway here which separates off our living and bedroom quarters, which is quite often handy if you're living in something temporarily or even permanently, just so that you can separate off. If the children go to bed or you're doing some entertaining, then obviously keep things separate. If we go ahead and jump up this double glazed door and have a look down the Caravan. It's had a few marks and things around the outside. Mark there where it's been rubbing along, the steps have been rubbing on the door there. Panels where it needs sort of clipping a bit in at the bottom. A couple of marks at the back here. Regulator which we usually remove so that the customer can supply their own and therefore get it commissioned on site properly. The non-door side, again, panel needs clipping a little bit along the bottom, but the non-door side is free from any serious damage. To be fair, the door side's free from serious damage as well. It's just it's got a few more marks, being the side that people walk along and have the doors attached to, steps attached to, sorry. Bit of damage down at the bottom here on the front. But other than a few scratches and scrapes where the paint's been taken off by steps and a couple of dimple vents like these, it's actually fairly decent around the outside. Dropping down, standard painted chassis, which looks like it's been painted or oiled in its time, so no problems there. So this has been our ABI Colorado 36 by 12 3-bed from 2006. It's got double glazing, it's priced at $10,995 and that includes delivery within 100 miles to the nearest accessible point. We can provide sighting as well for an additional cost, and we also always carry out access checks to make sure our caravan's going to fit where they need to go. So give us a shout if you want us to do one of those, and we can see where we go from there. Gas, water, electric testing, all as standard, with a 3-month warranty, providing you get it connected up by a gas safe engineer and a qualified electrician. Do give us a shout if you've got any questions, but today it's been the ABI Colorado, and until next time I will speak to you soon, and have a good day. Cheers.